Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've been around. Again, really busy at work. I shouldn't find excuses, I know. But anyway, in today's video, I will actually review a new collection from Makeup Revolution. And this is the collection from I Heart Revolution. So it's a brand part of brand that is part of Makeup Revolution. I think they have like 7 or 8 brands in the same big brand anyway. So this is part of Makeup Revolution, and this is a collab with Cocoa Pebbles. So you know the cereals that they used to be really popular back in the days. So what I have in here is not a lot of products, but I think I have the main that I was interested in anyway. So I have the eyeshadow palette collab with them, and it's like Flintstones. I love them. I absolutely used to love this TV show. So that's why when I actually saw the collection, yes, I want to have it. Definitely. So I have the eyeshadow palette. I do have the highlighter from them as well, that looks really cute. And I also have a lip gloss from them. And yeah, if you're curious and see how I've created this makeup look and to see my opinion about this collection, then keep on watching. So I'm super excited about today's videos, guys, because I used to love Flintstones TV show. I mean, when I was a kid, this was one of my favorite TV shows to watch because I used to love cartoons, and they were on the Cartoon Network, by the way. I used to watch the Flintstones, the Jetsons, and then we had the classics, of course, Tom and Jerry and Looney Tunes and Droopy from Tex Avery. Those were the classics type of cartoons that I used to watch. But yeah, I used to love the Flintstones. So this collab is basically with the cereals from Post, and it's called Cocoa Pebbles. And by the way, this is the eyeshadow palette, guys. So the eyeshadow palette itself, by the way, it comes in this box. The eyeshadow palette itself looks like this, and it does open like a book. Now, you will love how it looks inside. I mean, I absolutely love. I know it's a more of on a neutral side. I'm gonna peel off this bit so you can see the shades better, because the light is just reflecting too much. Okay, so I'm just taking this bit off, and this is how they look like. I cannot wait to swatch them because I think they're absolutely gorgeous colors in here. You have a lot of shimmers and a lot of mattes. They have some really cute names, by the way. So you have Flavor, Crispy, you have Barney, Caveman, Stone Age, Chocolatey Puffs, Bam Bam. You have Rubble, Rocks, Chip of the Opal family. So they have really nice name. By the way, guys, the collection I bought today, it's the Cocoa collection. It's not the whole of it, it's just part of it. And they also have the Pebble Fruity one, I think. Fruity Pebbles, sorry. And I'm gonna find a picture to insert it in here in the video so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna do some swatches, by the way, first of all. I'm gonna start with I don't know, should I say first row, second, and okay. So these are the swatches, guys. I hope you can see. They don't swatch extremely amazingly. I didn't even press that hard anyway because I don't like to actually destroy my eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna start and give the name. So this first one is Flavor, second one it's called Snack, third one is called Stone Age, then you have Chocolate, Club, and Chip All the Old Blocks. So this is how they look like. Okay, now I'm going to the second in the middle. This is the second row. So first we have Crispy, it's like an orange. Then we have Caveman, Lifelong Pal is the third one. Then we have Puffs, sorry, Query, this one that doesn't seem to look a lot. And then the last one, it's Rocks. So a few of them are quite powdery, and a few of them, I don't know, as I said, the swatch is not really great, but I'm not judging this eyeshadow palette after the swatches because I did had an experience before where the swatches weren't great, and then the eyeshadow palette itself actually performed well. And now I'm swatching the last one in here, the last row. To be honest, I think the last row that I just swatched, it swatched the best. They seem quite pigmented. So first shade is Barney, the second one is Cocoa, the third one is Rice, this terracotta one or orangey one, it's called Bam Bam, Rubble, and Family, the last one. So I think they're really nice coppery type of colors and really pigmented, it seems like. Okay guys, so I did prime my eyes, and by the way, I'm gonna put this eyeshadow palette in a corner somewhere so you can see which colors I'm using. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use the shade Rocks. This is a quite warm brown and it's a matte shade. By the way guys, I did find some new as you can see, some new brushes on Amazon again, which they are really good and they're cheap. By the way, I'm going with this shade in my crease, on top of my crease actually, all over the lid, just tapping the color on, because I just want to build the color up. So it seems to be pigmented at the moment, and later I'm gonna blend this color in, and I'm gonna take shade Caveman, which is a slightly more lighter type of brown. It's a nude. I'm actually blending this color out from here with that color. So I'm just looking into the mirror in here and down. Actually, I can use the mirror from the eyeshadow palette. Roxy. I think I'm gonna use the shade Rubble, and I'm gonna use it, I think, in here and in here. By the way, this one, another set that I love. I think I've seen a YouTuber using this one. These are from Docolor, again Amazon. These are so good quality. I was impressed, and I think I paid about £9 for the 15 brushes. But I was impressed. I mean, even this type of brushes, they pick up the shade so well, as you can see, and builds it up. Now in the middle, as I said, I leave it blank because I want to use the shade Crispy. It's like a more light type of orange. You know, it looks nice. I love it. I think in this bit, I think I'm gonna darken down those corners. I'm gonna take the shade Chocolatey, which is the darkest shade in the palette. On the lower lash line, I am going into the shade Chocolatey again. I am going into the shade Rocks. Just to blend everything together. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go and finish the other eye off camera. I'm gonna do my base and I'll come back because I have just a few more products to test on. Okay guys, so I'm back. I finished most of my face, but I still have a few bits to try from them. So next is actually a highlighter, and again it's from the same range, Cocoa Pebbles, and this is how it looks, the packaging from outside, by the way. And the highlighter itself looks like this. Again, it opens like a book, and it has a mini mirror inside, and this is how actually it looks like mini rocks together, glued together. Just let me take this bit as well off so you can see it closer. So I think again it's a really gorgeous type of shade of highlighters, because I don't know, it looks really beaming. By the way guys, I'm really curious to swap this. Looks promising. So yeah, I'm really curious how this is gonna look on my face. You can use this, like combine it, or you can use like with a smaller brush, different colors, depends what you need. I think I'm just gonna swipe on the whole thingy just to see how it's gonna perform on my face. I'm just going all over the shades. Yeah, it's beaming and I love it. You know, I actually like it. If you don't like a really beaming type of highlighter, probably you won't love this, but I think it's a nice highlighter. I'm gonna use, by the way, on my inner corners as well. I'm gonna use a tiny brush. I'm gonna take this champagne type of color from here. I'm gonna use it in my inner corners, which it looks beautiful. I think I'm just gonna use this kind of brush, and I'm gonna dip in. I'm not gonna combine all the colors. I'm trying to use the most lightest. It's quite glittery, but it doesn't look bad on the face, as you can see. I really like it. I think it's a nice highlighter because, yeah, I mean, I don't know if you can see, like different shades. This is like more gold type of highlighter, and then you have the champagne and more darkest. And I think it's nice because you can actually take it with a small brush, and if you like have like, you're more tan, then you have like a more deep type of complexion, this could work for you as well. So I think it's cute. And the last bit from the collection that I bought, I didn't bought any brushes or anything because I have a ton and is no need, because I'm just gonna keep them there. I have too many brushes anyway, so I didn't need any more. I have a lip gloss, by the way, in here, and look at the packaging, guys, so cute. So Betty is in here, as you can see, and the shade as well is Betty. This is how it looks like. So I think it's a really cute nude shade, feels a bit thick, so I'm really curious. Oh, by the way, guys, this really smells like chocolate cereals, or like whenever you pour the milk on, and then or like cocoa with milk or something. It's a really intense smell, but I love it. It's an intense smell, like cocoa type of smell. And it's nice. It doesn't bother me. But before I apply this, I'm using a lip crayon or lip liner actually from them. This is a new shade I bought from them that I never tried. Okay, so it looks good at the moment. By the way, guys, I do recommend these lip liners. They are so creamy and nice, and they glide so well and really quick. So I'm gonna try now the shade, the lip gloss. So this lip combo definitely gives me 90 vibes, but I love it. I really like it. This is nice and hydrating, guys. It's a bit sticky and thick that I expect it to be. So I think I like more like sheer type of lip glosses with more moisturizing or hydrating type of, but this is alright. I mean, it's just a lip gloss, and it does have a bit of a pigment, and I do love this lip combo. I mean, really 90 vibes. Okay, so now let's see about my opinion about this collection. I don't think there's anything bad to say about it. As you seen at the beginning of this video, the swatches weren't really great, but this eyeshadow palette actually performed really nice. I mean, look at this. Everything is really pigmented. I don't have any patches. Everything, all the colors blended so well together. I didn't have any issue playing with these colors. Again, I think this color story as well is absolutely gorgeous. The names are rare as well, are really funny, and yes, it just takes me back to memory lane, because as I said, I do used to love watching this TV show, and I still watch them from once in a while because I don't know, it just was part of my childhood, and I did love it. It was funny. Even the highlighter was quite nice. It's a bit glittery, but it's not really powdery. I don't know, it just really glides well. And I think you can use this even as on your eyelids as an eyeshadow, because it's really pigmented, guys, and I don't see why you can't use this on your eyelid. And I can say even the lip gloss is absolutely fine. I do love the color that it shows on my lips, and as I said, it's just a bit sticky and thick, but I don't mind. I mean, I love wearing lip glosses, and this is a really nice, you know, one and comfortable. So it does hydrate your lips, by the way. So let me know in the comments down below, guys, if you tried this collection. I had this for a while now, but unfortunately I didn't have time to film. It was crazy busy again at work. I know, excuses. I'm trying to make time to do what I like, because I enjoy filming for YouTube and for you guys. It relaxes me a lot, so I will try to, you know, put aside some more me time, because I love it. This is I can actually have an excuse wearing some makeup, trying some new makeup. So yeah, I have this for a while in my cupboard, but I didn't have time to test it, so I'm glad finally I had the chance to test it, and I wasn't disappointed. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you actually tried any of this new collection, if you tried the fruity one, the colorful one, if you tried this one and how it performed for you, if you were happy with it, if you were disappointed, if you didn't like it. Certainly I'm gonna keep this as a collection, so I don't know if I'm gonna use it every day, but because I love Flintstones so much, I wanted to buy it. And I think that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It will mean so much for me and to actually help me grow in my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I'm Roxy, by the way, and if you like to support me, I will be really grateful if you subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this every week. I will see you next time, guys, and take care. Bye.